Hello everyone, welcome to AutomationEdge Essential Course Training. I'm sure you all have catch up on our other videos on AutomationEdge Process Studio such as Project Explorer, Process Studio Introduction. If not, do watch them for better understanding of this video. Now, in this video, we are going to see Plugin Explorer window from Process Studio. Let's delve into Plugin Explorer window in this video. You all may already know that AutomationEdge has a component called Process Studio, which is a development tool used to create automated solutions using workflows and processes. So, what are these workflows and processes? Let's unbox two components of Process Studio, workflow and processes. Workflow and processes are the two entities which help us design the automated solution. A workflow is about moving and transforming rows. It takes data from various data sources, performs operations on data, and saves to some target systems. A process, on the other hand, is focused on high-level flow control tasks such as executing workflows, sending emails in case of failures, or transferring files via FTP. Workflow is stored as an XML file with .psw extension and process is stored as an XML file with .psp extension. In a workflow, all the steps are executed in parallel and in a process, all the entries are executed sequentially. Steps are used to build a workflow whereas entries are used to build a process. Let's go to the Process Studio and see how we can add steps and entries into workflows and processes. As we all know, we can create multiple projects in one workspace, each of which may comprise several workflows or processes. We can easily access and incorporate steps or entries into workflows and processes. We can find and access the steps and entries in the Plugin Explorer window. Let us now take a closer look at Plugin Explorer. The Plugin Explorer consists of two tabs, View and Design. When we open a workflow or a process, we can view the available steps and entries in the Design tab of the Plugin Explorer. Let's open a workflow. As you can see, there are various plugin nodes available based on the plugin functionality. For example, the Active Directory plugin nodes comprises plugin steps that facilitates various operations conducted on Active Directory. The Input and Output plugin nodes encompasses steps related to the input and output respectively. Likewise, the Office 365 plugin nodes comprises steps specifically geared towards Office 365 related tasks. So these are the plugin nodes and under these nodes steps are available. So in this way we can check the list of the plugins. In addition, you can utilize the search box provided here to search for a specific step by entering its name. For instance, if you need to find out a step for sorting data, you can type sort in the search box and it will filter and display the relevant steps. Now, the most interesting part is adding the steps or entries into workflows or processes. For adding a step into a workflow, you can easily perform a simple action by dragging and dropping the desired plugin step onto the canvas. Alternatively, you can double click on the plugin step and add it to the canvas. To link one step to another, you can use a connector. To establish a connection between two steps, hover a mouse over the first step, select the connection, drag the connection to the second step and release the mouse button. This will create the connection between the two steps. You also have the option to modify the direction of the connection or disable it. By right-clicking on the connection, you can access various operations such as flipping the direction or disabling the connection. With this simple approach, we can design an effective automation solution. Now, let's quickly see a small scenario where a vendor is receiving order details into the CSV format and to process the order, vendor needs to convert those details into Excel formats. Let's see how Process Studio can assist us in doing this. Let's open a workflow. For reading a CSV data, we have a CSV file input plugin. For writing a data into Excel, we have Microsoft Excel Writer plugin. Let's connect both the steps by using the connection and configure both the steps. To read the CSV order file, simply click on the Browse button and select the file. After that, click on the Get Fields button to add the fields. Click on OK. Next, you need to choose the location and the file name for the output file in Excel Writer. Now, go to the Content tab and click on a Get Fields button. Click on OK. Save the workflow, and now let's run the workflow and view the output. As you can see, all the CSV order data has been successfully converted into Excel format. Let's open the Excel output file and see the output. So as you can see, all the CSV order data is successfully converted into the Excel format. Now moving back to the Process Studio, and now let's see the View tab from the Plugin Explorer. It provides an overview of all the details related to the workflow or processes, including database connection, steps, groups, hopes, that is connection. As for this workflow, it contains steps and hopes, which you can see is visible here. So this is about the Plugin Explorer window in Process Studio. Check out our other videos to gain more information on Process Studio. For more details and posting your queries, visit to community.automationedge.com. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.